Welcome to this week's edition of the Thomas Index Report. Our editorial team over at Thomas Insights has been reporting a number of notable investments in the automotive sector lately, including a $300 million investment from Hyundai to produce its Santa Fe hybrid in Alabama, a $383 million investment from Toyota to ramp up hybrid vehicle production in Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky, and a major $7 billion investment from Volkswagen to amp up their North American operations across the board. Our data shows consistent demand across the automotive sector on thomasnet.com since the start of the year. More specifically, demand for lithium-ion batteries, which are used in most plug-in hybrid and all-electric vehicles, is up 42% year over year and 73% over Q1 averages. We're also seeing notable surges in demand for things like automotive paints, which is up 376% year over year, automotive glass, which is up 346% over 2021 figures, and automotive injection molded plastics, which is up 73% over the same time frame. These investments in the development of new automotive production facilities or the expansion of existing facilities has also led to an increase in new jobs. One especially exciting area of hiring opportunity is in roles related to the automotive Internet of Things. In fact, hiring rates for that type of role rose across this year compared to the same time frame last year. I'm Sean Fitzgerald, and this is the Thomas Index Report.